Hello all, myself Shruti. Today I am back with an essential information which is about a healthy drink. It acts as a healthy drink as well as gives essential nutrient to the body, that is water. It carries lots of nutrients to the body and gives oxygen to all the cells. It also helps in flushing out bacteria and increasing the digestion process. It prevents constipation, maintains normal blood pressure, and also it keeps the heartbeat normal. It acts as a cushioning for joints and it protects various organs of the body, especially kidney. So our body is 60% hydrated, and whenever the body maintains this percentage, it keeps the physical and mental performance of the body active. So whenever the body suffers from dehydration, it increases the temperature of the body, decreases the motivation, increases fatigue, and also decreases the brain performance. And it acts as medicine for various normal diseases and maintenance of the body. So whenever a person having a headache, if he consumes warm water early morning, he will get rid of the headache. And also for constipation, it acts as a good medicine which hydrates the body and mix with the fiber content of the food and relieves from constipation. For kidney stones, in my initial video also I have shown, for the kidney stones also water acts as a good medicine. It Those who are looking for weight loss, water acts as a good substitute which burns the calories and increases the metabolism process. One more interesting thing is it increases the skin health and beauty, and it prolongs the aging process. It also helps in overcoming the acidity of the body. So we got to know the different importance of the water. So in the next I'll tell you how much water should be consumed by every individual and what are the good timings to take water. So there is no, as such there is no fixed amount to be taken. It varies from one body to another body condition, but on an average every man should drink 3.7 liters of water per day and women should drink 2.7 liters of water per day. For children, we have to give more water as they will be involved in more of physical exercises and their body gets dehydrated very soon. Those who have other health complaints like fever, etc., they should consume more water to maintain body temperature. And those who are pregnant, those who are breastfeeding, they have to consume more water. Normal people have to consume water because it detoxifies the body. So we all know that we should consume up to 3 bottles of water every day or 8 glasses of water. It is always important to count or track the water how much we drink. Based on that, it gives a count of how much water we are consuming per day, and hence we can maintain the health or maintain the body temperature as well. And now coming to timings, it is always good to drink water early in the morning. So every individual should drink up to 1 liter of water early morning, and it is also good to drink water before the meal as well as along with the meal. And with these two time points, it is always good to have water whenever one feels thirsty. During bedtime, we should not consume much water as our body will be completely full, and also if we drink more of water during the bedtime, night sleep will not be proper. So during bedtime or during night time, we can only have 1 or 2 gulps of water. Whenever we exercise, lots of water will be released in the form of sweat and body gets dehydrated, so we have to consume more water. So it should be like up to 4 and 3 liters of water, and early morning will be the best time to drink water. So all of you take this hydration challenge because water acts as a medicine for most of the diseases. So one should always track the amount of water we drink daily, and so that we can experience the importance of the water. So all of you take this hydration challenge and you follow it for minimum 1 month. You will definitely get to know the advantage of consuming water. So those who are having health complaints, it is always good to consume water, as it acts as a good medicine to come out from any type of health problems. Those who are in normal health condition also should drink water, as it detoxifies the body and keeps our body fit and fine. So all of you take this hydration challenge and please follow the video. As I say, I'll be coming up with more and more informative videos every time. So all of you share, watch and subscribe my channel with bell icon, so that you will get notified by my future videos and all of you can follow it. Thank you all very much. This video was very much informative for you. All of you follow this and keep your body healthy. Don't forget to track the water, how much you drink per day, and follow it. All of you share this healthy tip with all your friends and family and keep following the channel. Thank you all.